This Independence Day, tune into Prajavahini for an extraordinary episode featuring a rare collaboration with the heroes of the Indian Army, Air Force and Navy. It's a remarkable achievement to unite all three branches in one episode, and we are thrilled to present their inspiring stories. Wishing everyone a vibrant and proud Independence Day week as we step into 78th year of independence. Coming soon.
ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಹಿನಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.